Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to embed a Mentimeter presentation directly into Canva. First, open your Mentimeter account and create your presentation. You can add your questions, slides, polls, or anything else you want your audience to interact with. Once your presentation looks the way you want, look toward the top right corner of the screen. There you will see a button labeled Share. Click on this button. A small window will open. In this window, you will find a link that you can copy. Go ahead and copy the link to your clipboard. Now open Canva in a new tab. On the Canva homepage, you can either create a new blank presentation or you can choose a ready-made template if you want a certain look. After your Canva project opens, look at the left side panel. Scroll down until you see the option called Apps. Click on it. A search bar will appear in the Apps section. Type the word Embed inside the search bar. When the Embed app appears, open it. You will now see an empty box where you can paste a URL. This is where you paste the Mentimeter link you copied earlier. Paste the link into the box and wait a moment. Canva will automatically load the live Mentimeter presentation inside your design. When it appears, adjust its size the same way you resize any Canva element. You can move it, stretch it, or place it on any slide you want. This allows you to present your Mentimeter interaction directly from Canva without switching between windows. Thanks for watching.